Hi, hello there, and welcome back to my channel, Abby's Home Kitchen. If you are just joining us on this channel, you are most welcome. Thank you so much. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And also do not forget to like and share my videos. Thank you so much, guys, for your support so far. On today's recipe, I'm making this delicious chicken kebab. Sit back and enjoy. So first, I already washed and cleaned my boneless chicken breasts and already cut them into sizes that I want. And here I'm adding some mayonnaise, and here I'm using a traditionally brewed malt soy sauce and some garlic powder, some onion flakes, some chili flakes, and this is some onion salt, and some freshly chopped parsley. You can use cilantro or any type of leaves that you have. So I'm just going to give this a mix to make sure that all the ingredients are all mixed together. And once I'm done with this, I already have some bamboo sticks that I already pre-soaked in water. This is just to make sure that it doesn't burn out when you're cooking your chicken. So I already soaked that in water for several hours. And I already have some bell peppers that I already cut to preferable sizes. So what I'm just going to do here is to, just to put them all into the steak beautifully. You can choose whatever pattern you want. Here I decided to use the red bell pepper first, put in some chicken and, went on and on like that. So also with this, you can add some onions as well. So because I already used some onion flakes here, that's why I'm not using onions, but the idea is always to use whatever you prefer. You can always substitute, you can always change things, turn things around just to get that maximum satisfaction that you want. So as you can see, that's beautifully arranged there. So you don't want to overcrowd one bamboo stick so that you give space for each of them to breathe. So once I'm done with this, most of the time I would put them back in the fridge for a couple of hours. Sometimes I do this overnight. And at other times, if you're like me that you want to save time, or maybe you have a lot of other things to do, so you can do this ahead of time. You could even do this and put it in a Ziploc and stock it up in your freezer any day and time that you're ready to use. All you need to do is just bring it out ahead of time and allow it to thaw completely. Once it is thawed completely, you can go ahead. So here I'm going to be grilling this now in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes. So here you see that beautiful color is what you're looking for. And also you could see that in this I didn't use any type of oil. But it's a choice you'd have to make. If you want to use some oil, of course, why not? So this is ready to eat now, and I'm also, garnishing it with more parsley. I love fresh parsley, cilantro, whichever one I have at home. I always love to add them to my food. So thank you guys. I really appreciate you once again. Please support my passion. Continue to share, to like, and do not forget to subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.